Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can apply a work visa or in other terms an employment visa to travel to Brunei. Before I proceed further, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I'm an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. All right guys, so let's proceed. So guys, whenever it comes to apply visa for any country, okay, it's very important that you check the requirements as per your location. As per the official entity covering your location, because based on your nationality, duration, purpose, or even based on other visas you may or may not have, you may not even need a visa. And also based on your location, there could be some additional requirements. So what I have done here, I have opened like High Commission of Brunei Darussalam in New Delhi, India website. If you go to consular services and you scroll down, they have given country-wise requirements. Okay, even visa free and visa on arrival situation. Now let's go for visa application. So we won't go for short-term, instead or employment. Okay. So here, what you need to submit: visa application, immigration approval letter, passport, copy of passport or recent passport size photograph with blue and white background, a copy of confirmed single air ticket and flight itinerary, completed medical checkup form. Okay. So then it comes like, where are you going to submit? So you can submit here. Time they have given. Okay. Fee also they have given. Processing time is given. Okay. All right. So now it comes to see the application. So when you click on this link and it comes here, country-wise record. Here you have the link for download visa form. If you go, and we can download it. So I'm going to open in Adobe and then I'm going to show you this uh, Adobe. So here your photograph, your full name and use block letters, nationality, former if applicable, marital status, gender, date of birth. It's very simple. I don't have to explain everything. Okay. Passport details, purpose of visit. If you're going for work, select employment, contact address, and person accompanying and included in his passport. Okay, you can provide that information. Type of visa required, single, like generally when people go for employment, they go for employment only. Haha. Have you ever been deported from any country? Have you ever been convicted in any country? How long you're gonna stay? Date of entry. If you have previously visited, its information. Address, phone number, date signed. Okay. Now going back to the website. Oops, that's power. Sorry. Okay. All right. So visa application form, immigration approval letter, passport, other details, medical checkup form. Okay. So with this, you can go there. They have given the information, pay the fee, and if things are granted, you are all good to go. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.